3.2. Okay, so in this practice set, we have to study 4 things: addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Don't think कि इस practice set का जो तुम्हारा ये basic है. No, it's not like your basic maths, like you have done in first, second, third, fourth, 2 numbers you are taking and just adding it. No, in this class, in 3.2, you have to study alphanumeric types of number, how to add, subtract, divide, and multiply. So without wasting time, let's see question number 1. Okay, what is after this? 5m cube. What is after this? Root 2. Then we have to add. So this is sign for what? This sign for addition. 5m power 4. Then after minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. Now we have to just put your pen down, everybody, and pay attention over here. Sit straight. You can see this question is given in your textbook. This is the first part and this is the second part. What they have told in question, they have told that we have to add both the numbers. But we can see these are alphanumeric types of numbers, means alphabets and numbers are there together. Yes or no? Now what will you do? How to add? क्या करोगे तुम लोग, कैसे ऐड करोगे? देखो, तुम्हें क्या करना है, जिसका पावर सेम है उनको पहले एक साथ कर दो. Okay, the number which having the same power, take it together. So how to do that? You can see this number having same power. Okay, so take it together. Minus 7m power 4, then what? Plus 5m power 4. After that you can see 3 power. Where is 3 power with this? So first copy down this one. Plus 5m cube. After that minus 3m cube. Very good. Now after this you can see no number having 2 power. Okay, so just write down as it is 2m square. After that you can see no number having power m. So also copy down as it is. Now you can see the remaining thing is root 2 here and minus 6 over here. Just copy down root 2 and minus 6. Now add the same power wala number. Okay. Now you can see no number is here having same power. So put as it is. Add these two number. You can see minus sign is there and plus sign. Then we have to subtract. Minus plus sign है तो subtract करो. 7 minus 5. 2m power 4. Go ahead for this. 5 minus 3. 2m power cube. Rest all just note down, copy down as it is. Okay. Root 2 minus 6. This much is your final answer. So addition is very simple of alphanumeric or polynomials. Go for the second sum. What is the second sum? Just tell me. 2ab square plus
3a square b minus 4ab
semicolon, then
3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b.
okay. After writing the question, what is the first step? You have to take together the same polynomials. How will you take? You can see power 2, a power 2. Okay. Now a power 2 over here and b power over here. So while doing subtraction, you have to be alert. जब तुम subtraction करोगे तो थोड़ा alert होने का. Don't note down, write down it afterward. पहले देखो और समझो. यहाँ मैं minus का sign यही दे देता हूँ. No need to write question. Correct ना? If I am writing question बार बार, so it will take my more time. So write down 2ab square. As it is plus 3a square b minus 4ab. Okay. This is the question ka minus. Correct or not? We have to subtract now. So write down minus. Put it in the bracket because this sign will change the all signs which is inside. So what you will write? 3ab plus. In place of this minus, it will become plus 8a square. This plus will be minus 2a square b. Okay, now we'll make the pairs very simple. 2ab square. Yes. Go Basri, tell me. Which will be the pair for this?
8ab square.
ये स्क्वायर रहेगा क्या? ये नहीं है ना, तो हम लोग कौन सा लेने वाले हैं? ये this one plus 8ab square. Correct? Sit down. Very good. Now go for the next plus 3a square b. This I have note down over here. Correct?
Yes.
Now which will be the pair for this? सही. इसका पेयर कौन होने वाला है?
2a square b.
2a square b. So minus 2a square b. Now there is no number. इसका है ना पेयर इधर. So copy down minus 4ab. Now which is left? Minus 3ab. ठीक है? तुम लोगों ने पेयर बना लिया. Yes or no? इतना तक क्लियर है क्या सबको? Again I am repeating. After completing this. ये दोनों तुम ऐड करोगे because पॉजिटिव साइन है. Yes or no? तो क्या लिखोगे इधर? 10ab square. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sit straight. Cooperate everyone. 3 minus 2 ab square. No need to write 1. अगर आप चाहते तो क्या I am writing 1. Okay, go for the next. Minus minus will be plus. So 4 and 3 will be 7. This much is your final answer. Okay, so I'm quickly revising again so that you can understand. What is your first priority? Write down the question. If they have told you add, then put plus sign. No need to write question after solution. So write the question and put the positive sign in between both question. After that, make pairs. Positive sign put kiya, make the pairs. Now add or subtract according to given sign. For the third question, copy down question, but put the sign as they have asked. उन्होंने बोला पॉजिटिव तो पॉजिटिव करने का, नेगेटिव बोला तो नेगेटिव. But while subtracting, you have to put the second part in the bracket because negative sign will change all the signs inside the bracket as it is. Now make the what pairs and third step addition subtraction जो भी है and finally you will get your answer. Okay, student, go for the fourth sum. Fourth sum is depend on multiplication. Okay, so how to multiply polynomials? Pay attention. Now, what will happen? How to multiply of polynomials? What we are learning? अभी तक हमने क्या सीखा? Addition of polynomials, subtraction of polynomials. Now we are going to learn multiplication of polynomials. And after this, what we will learn? Division of polynomials. Okay? Pay attention over here. I am starting. This will multiply with the whole bracket. So how will we write this? Power 5. X cube plus 2x square plus 2. Again, what is left in the bracket? -1. Very good. So write down -1 and again this sign. This whole bracket will multiply. So what you will write? X power 3 2x square plus 2. Okay, equal ka sign. Okay, go ahead. Now multiply. Start multiplying. X will multiply. You will get 5 and 3 8. पावर गेट एडेड. नहीं पता है तो समझो इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा तो दोनों पावर क्या होंगे? ऐड हो जाएंगे. प्लस 2 इधर 1 है, 1 2 जा 2, x पावर 5 x पावर 2 x पावर 7, x पावर 5 into 2 plus 2x 5. Again I'm repeating, you can see x power 5 is multiplied with x power 3, so we'll add the power. Okay, in 8th class we had studied. Yes. After that plus sign as it is, 1 is over here, so 1 2 जा 2, x power 5 and x power 2 will be added. What will be here? 7. Power will added na. After that 2 will multiply with x raised to 5. You will get this one. Understand? Go for the next. Now you can see 1. If you are multiplying anything with 1, you will get the same number. Yes or no? So just write down same, but change the sign. This positive will become negative. This positive will become negative. And remaining we have to copy down. So x power cube minus 2x square. What will be over here?
-2.
Understand?
Yes.
Now what you will do? You will just add and subtract according to addition and subtraction. अभी देखो तुम्हारा मल्टीप्लिकेशन से हमने इसको एक नॉर्मल पॉलिनोमियल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. अभी या तो ऐड करो या तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. You will get your final answer. तो कैसे करेंगे देखो. 8 के पावर x पावर 8. Anybody is here of 8 power? No. 7 power? No. 5? No. 3? No. 2? No. This is our answer. Okay, just check it out. Check it once. एक बार check करो. Is it correct or not? Correct answer? Okay, so go ahead. याद रखो हाँ. Pay attention how to solve x power 2 and x over here. Now what we need? Pay attention. We need x power what? 5. X power 5 and here we'll take 5. So how to do that? Write down 5x power 3. If you are taking 5x power 3 and you are multiplying with this, you will get your answer which we need in dividend. So how to take? If you are taking 5x cube x square x, so what you will get? चलो देखो वो भी मैं साइड में दिखा रहा हूँ. You have to show in the exam. Yes, pay attention. Now if you are multiplying this with this, what you will get? Minus 5x power 4. कैसे? देखो 5 1 5. दोबारा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करूँगा. 5 1 5, x power 3, x power 1, x power 4. 5 1 5, x cube, x 2, 3 2 5. Clear? Now put the similar sign. ये पूरा तुम्हारा साइन होना चाहिए. Pay attention over here. After that put minus का sign. This minus sign will be used, so put it into the bracket. This minus will become plus. यहाँ पे भी पहले से प्लस है, वो तुम्हारा हो गया है माइनस. Now no need of this. बट एग्जाम में तुम इसको रफ कर सकता है क्या? नहीं. तो मुझे बताओ कि सर हम लोग ये साइन नहीं यूज कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दिस साइन, वी आर यूजिंग दिस साइन. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड पुट इट इन द ब्रैकेट. क्लियर हो रहा है? अभी थोड़ा ही, अभी पूरा ही भर जाएगा, सो यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ डाउट्स. पूरा समझ लेगा। क्लियर हुआ इतना? अब आंसर कट कर दिया, इसको कैंसिल हो गया, करेक्ट। अरे नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव कैंसिल। नाउ पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव विल गेट ऐड, हाउ मच यू विल गेट 9x पावर 4 ही रहेगा, 4 सॉरी। मल्टीप्लिकेशन में पावर ऐड होता है, एडिशन में नहीं। नाउ गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट, -3x cube plus 2x square plus 2. All the time you have to copy, but याद रखो whenever you are copying, don't copy in, इसके नीचे कॉपी नहीं करने का, don't copy below this because you are now doing from this side, understand? So system समझो। Now go for the next, यहाँ पे कौन सी साइन है? Positive, so take positive sign over here. In exam you will get confused, sir how to take sign? ये साइन तुम लोग इसके अकॉर्डिंग लेने वाले हो, और जो तुम मल्टीप्लाई वाला कर रहे हो वो इसके अकॉर्डिंग जाओगे। Go for the next step, but I will take over here x square, we need 9, so 9 x power 4, but we have 2, so just put x power 2 और ये पूरा लिखो x square minus x। अभी देखो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है तुम्हारा ना, तो क्या करोगे? पॉजिटिव साइन है बरोबर, क्या लेने का तुम लोग को? 9x square, ओके। पे अटेंशन ओवर हियर, अभी तक हमने एक स्टेप किया, ये स्टेप क्लियर। सेकंड देखो 9x square, नाउ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग 9x square with this, you will get 9x power 4, सिंपल। if you are multiplying with this, फाइल ध्यान दे इधर, 9x square, ओके। स्ट्रेट बैठो। अभी दिस विल मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस, थोड़ा टफ है, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, बट क्या करें, करना तो पड़ेगा ना, एग्जाम में 3 नंबर का आएगा तो। यस और नो? देखो इधर एकदम आराम से एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं, समझो। 9x square, x square इधर भी मल्टीप्लाई किया, यू गॉट दैट। नाउ यू कैन सी माइनस साइन ओवर हियर, सो 9 ones are 9, x cube x square, so finally you will get x square x1, how much you will get? X power cube, put the longest line, now minus and this will be plus, cancel, go ahead, positive negative, how much you will get? 6x cube plus 2x square plus 2, okay, understand? अरे देखो ना, ये पॉजिटिव है ना 9 और ये नेगेटिव सब्ट्रैक्ट होगा, नेगेटिव आंसर नहीं आने वाला, इट विल बी पॉजिटिव। अंडरस्टैंड दिस मच? विल गो अहेड नाउ। नाउ वी नीड 6, बट हियर व्हिच साइन? पॉजिटिव, सो पुट पॉजिटिव 6। नाउ व्हाट इज द पावर? 3 and what is in question? 2, so how much you will get? X. Now pay attention, 6x, copy down this one, x square minus x, multiply 6 1 ja 6, x और power 2, how much it will be? X power cube, go ahead, 6 1 ja 6, negative लेना है, we have to take minus sign. Now after that x are x square, now put the minus sign over here in bracket, plus sign over here in bracket, because we have to use this sign, that's why we are putting in the bracket, we are not using this one। समझ आ रहा है ना तुम लोग को? अभी देखो इधर नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव कैंसल, go ahead now, what is left with? Positive positive, how much it will be? 8x square plus 0x plus, okay go ahead, 8x square चाहिए अपने को और इधर पे x square दिया है ऑलरेडी, तो no need to take anything, just take 8, what you will take? 8, pay attention over here, sit straight, 8x square minus x, pay attention again, multiply 8 ones are 8, no x is here with 8, so just write down 8x square, this is your 8। Now pay attention, 8 तुम्हारा मल्टीप्लाई होगा x स्क्वायर के साथ, you will get 8x square minus 8x are 8x, you will get negative, pay attention, minus 8x, okay, पॉजिटिव नहीं रहेगा इधर, नेगेटिव, और ये तुम्हारा क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव, ये x का स्क्वायर, ये माइनस साइन तुम्हारा क्या हो गया अभी? प्लस हो चुका है, ओके, पे अटेंशन, दिस बोथ विल बी गेट कैंसल, ओके, गो अहेड नाउ, ये पॉजिटिव है नेगेटिव, यू विल गेट 8x plus 2, now I think this is your final answer, एक बार चेक करो।
Oh yes sir,
चेक करो ना प्लीज, ओके, so have you understood this? Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, not reminder, reminder is in your cell phone for alarms,